Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tasty nachos at home. First, gather your ingredients. Start with a large bag of quality tortilla chips, ensuring they are robust enough to hold all your delicious toppings. Next, pick a cheese that melts beautifully, like a sharp cheddar or a Monterey Jack. Don't forget your protein, perhaps a pound of seasoned ground beef or shredded chicken. Now let's build those layers. Spread a single layer of chips on a baking sheet. Sprinkle about 1/3 of your cheese, then add a portion of your cooked protein. Repeat this process, creating 2 or 3 layers to ensure every chip gets some goodness. Finish with a generous final layer of cheese and any heat-resistant toppings. Time to bake. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your loaded baking sheet in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly. Keep a close eye on them to prevent burning. Once out of the oven, add your fresh garnishes like a dollop of sour cream, a sprinkle of chopped cilantro, and a squeeze of lime. Your delicious homemade nachos are ready. Transfer them carefully to a large serving platter. For an extra touch, offer a few small bowls of salsa, guacamole, or extra sour cream on the side. Remember, nachos are incredibly versatile, so feel free to experiment with different proteins, cheeses, and vegetable toppings to find your perfect combination. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.